Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.